Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is entitled "Squatter Takes Resisting Arrest to a Whole New Level." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about here, man. Let's get into it, man. Let's do it.
Today on Uncovered.
Hold on. Absolutely not. You're gonna get f***ing caked. Stop, you're gonna get... Ah! Dominic! Ah!
Watch police put this woman in her place after she was caught breaking and entering inside of her friend's home.
Yeah, my neighbor seen that. This woman went inside of my house, and another guy came in here while I was gone. He took my lawnmower. I can see because it's a snowblower I got in the basement. Green, a snowblower, brand new.
He had some shit wrapped up like in a bag or some shit.
Where my car at?
I don't know what you talking about. Your dude, your little friend, whatever y'all doing. I don't know where he's at, but you ain't got no right coming inside my house.
This is your house you live in?
Yes, ma'am.
You didn't bring my car back?
This is my house. I let you stay here last night. There's no reason or purpose for you to go inside of my house and have anybody invade my home and take anything. We ain't talking about no car. We're talking about you going in my house and my neighbor witnessed you going in there.
Okay, hold on, because now we have to figure out what's going on.
Right now, for real, I ain't got no gun. So you came out my back window then, because I just walked back there and looked.
So she stayed here last night. When did she leave?
That was this morning. She gave me and my her little boyfriend or my buddy a ride to the store. Him and her arguing or whatever. You got no right going inside of my home.
That's what I'm asking, like, where's my car at?
You don't got no right to see my door unlocked. This door was locked a second ago.
I think that's the door she came out of.
She just came out of.
She just come out of that. You got no right being in my house. I got my house.
How'd you get in the house?
I got my front keys. And don't lie, because he will witness. I will take you all the way to court. He watched you and some guy crawl through my window over here, my kitchen window.
I didn't crawl through the window.
Well, you better tell whoever did. That's breaking and entering. And I'm pressing charges. This is the front door key.
So where's my car?
I can show you the other keys to that side door. That door was just locked when he stood there and watched me check that door. Okay. And I checked the back window back there.
Okay. Well, if you don't live here and you had no right to be in his house, that is burglary. Ain't nobody breaking in there. Where my car at?
Man, you gotta talk to whoever your dude is or whatever y'all going through. But my neighbor seen you come in my house. That's not right.
Okay, he let you stay overnight and then you left this morning. He didn't.
We all left this morning. And
okay, but if he lives here, like he can leave, he can come and go. But if you don't live here, you all leave this morning. He has his house locked up. You crawl in through a window. You don't live here.
You got my front door open. This is my key to my front door right here. This is my door. The neighbor upstairs.
Hold on. He doesn't want you in the house.
Please don't come.
You don't live here. Hold on. Absolutely not. You're gonna get f***ing tased. You better stop. Stop now, or you will get tased.
Where the hell is her big ass running to? Seriously? Come on, man.
Now.
But he got my car.
I don't give a f***. Hands behind your back now.
No, he got my car.
If you don't stop, you're gonna get... Ah! Stop! Now!
Yes, sir.
Stop! Now! Is that my car?
Got her ass together, didn't they? You better act right, boy. You better act right, boy. Got her ass together, boy. What? She's not playing with you, especially when it's female on female action, man. When there's a female cop and a female suspect, they definitely not playing with you.
Stop! Lay down!
He stole my car.
Lay down!
Ow, help me. Oh,
Stop!
he stole my car. I didn't do anything.
Stop!
I'm not even moving.
Lay on your stomach! Ow! We told you to get on the ground.
Call the cops.
We are the cops.
Get on your stomach.
Stop! You don't get on your stomach now. Get on your stomach now.
Please.
No, get on your stomach.
Get on your stomach now.
Okay.
Roll over and get on your stomach.
Get on your stomach now.
Okay.
Yeah, roll.
Yes.
He stole my car.
We ain't worried about that.
You're
You
going
ran.
to get it again if you don't get on your stomach now.
Okay.
Then do it.
Get on your stomach.
Okay. Now, no, do
Ain't
not
no getting up.
sit
Roll
up.
over.
Get on your stomach. Get off of me. You are under arrest for burglary. I have the right to stay here. Oh my!
No.
You don't. You are under arrest for burglary. We already told you that when you decided to run. Now get on your stomach. You don't have a right to sit anywhere anymore. Get on your stomach. Put your hands up now. No. Ow! 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 Ow!
Now you're going to jail.
Ow! I'm going to jail. Ow! 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 Stop! I need an ambulance. You'll get one. I need an ambulance. Put your down now. I need an ambulance. Put your down now. I need an ambulance. You'll get one. Ambulance. I need an ambulance. I need an ambulance. You will get one. As soon as you cooperate. I need an ambulance. I need an ambulance. You will get one.
She need an ambulance. What the heck is going on here, man? Oh my God. Yo, they got her right. Well, I ain't gonna lie to you, man. But she's still fighting though. She's still fighting though. I mean that level of act right didn't, wasn't good enough. You know what I'm saying? So they need to find another method, another formula to crank it up a notch. You know what I'm saying? Because that ain't work.
But you need to cooperate first. Call the cops. We are the cops. Please drop me then. No, because you're not cooperating.
Give me your arm. Give me your arm. If you bite me, I'm going to punch you. Give me your arm. You already bit me once. You bite me, I'm going to punch you.
I'm going to bite you.
See, and that's what I mean. They need another form of act right. You know what I'm saying? That little taser, that ain't do nothing. You know what I'm saying? If you gotta hit her with a little you know what I'm saying, with a little righty, hey, maybe that'll get the job done, man. Maybe that'll get the job done. Who knows?
Put your arm behind your back.
Stop. You gotta stop. Now. Stop. Now.
Put your hand behind your back.
Now.
All right. If you cooperate, we can sit you up or whatever is most comfortable so you can get off of the ground. But you need to cooperate with us. We already told you that you broke into somebody's house and you decided to run away from us and fight with us and pull away from us. That's why you're where you're at now. There's one coming for you. There's one coming for you, okay? Anytime anything like that happens, we're gonna call you on.
During the altercation, the suspect scraped her elbow and got some blood on the officers as they were apprehending her.
Miss, I have to ask, do you have any kind of blood diseases? Do you have like HIV, AIDS, anything that's carried by the blood? Okay, I've asked you, so if you have it, you're gonna be charged. What's your name? Just so you know, you are under arrest. You have been since we told you that you were under arrest. You have to give us that information. If you don't, that's another charge. Okay? I don't want to continue to tack on charges. But you need to at least cooperate a little bit. Because right now, you're facing 3. So please, help us help you, and at least make the rest of this go a little smoother. How do you know this gentleman?
We went to the store this morning, they stole my card.
Okay, we'll figure out your car.
So I came back over here.
Okay, how do you know him? Why were you staying here last night?
Friends.
Friends? How long have you guys been friends for?
A minute.
Okay, so we let you stay here last night.
Yeah.
You have the right to remain silent. Where's the Miranda rights? Y'all got her under arrest. You guys are questioning her about the incident. Hello? What are we doing here?
You guys left this morning, went to the store.
Yeah, and they pulled off my car, so I came back over here.
Okay. Him and the other gentleman that's not here anymore?
Yeah.
Okay, who's the other guy?
Okay.
What's that? So they left in your car.
Yeah.
You came back here. The second guy came back here with you. So you don't know where your car was. Where's the last time you saw your car?
We had pulled up around the corner.
Which store?
On Glenwood.
Okay, the gas station over there?
Yeah.
Or the little corner store?
The little gas.
The gas station. Okay. So that's the last place your car was.
And they pulled off with it.
Okay, and left you at the gas station, so you walked over here?
Yeah.
How did the other guy get back here?
I don't know. I don't even know how he got back here. That's why I asked him, like, where's my car?
Okay, it's not possible that the other dude parked your car somewhere, and that's where he's off to right now?
Mm-hmm. And then y'all gonna take me to jail, and they gonna have all my stuff.
Well, we're gonna figure out your stuff, because we can handle more than one thing at a time. Here's the problem, though. We need you to cooperate with us for the initial investigation. We need you to cooperate with the initial investigation. Instead, you took off running. We can't handle your stuff unless we handle the initial stuff. So we're gonna figure it all out. We just need you to cooperate with the initial stuff, which is you going into his house without his permission, which is why we're at where we're at right now. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Okay.
The deputies begin to gather information about the vehicle so they can conduct a search as the suspect is transported to the hospital.
Is it the car in your name, or is it somebody else's car that you borrowed?
This is somebody else's name.
Okay. Do they know that you had the car?
Yeah, that's the same. You're on the same page.
What kind of car was it?
It's green.
Green? Okay, do you know what, like, is it a car, or is it a truck, or is it an SUV?
It's like a car.
Car? Okay, do you know what kind of, like, the make or the model or anything? No. Okay, does it have 2 doors or 4 doors?
2 doors.
2 doors? Okay. Whose car is it? You don't know whose car you had?
No, Michaela or Carissa, or something like that.
Okay, where do they live?
They stay in Stark.
Stark? Okay, but they know you have the car?
Yeah, she's a stripper.
Okay. Do they ever stay here with you? No? Okay. How long have you had the car? You don't know how long? Has it been a couple weeks, days,
Yeah,
months?
still got 30-day time.
Okay, that does, in Youngstown, that doesn't mean anything. There's a lot of people that run around with the tags after. So it's green, 2 doors, 30-day tags. Temp tag. I think they're 45 actually now, but do you know any part of the temp tag numbers? No? Is it a dark green or a light green?
The light green.
Light green? Okay. Does it have any kind of stickers, any kind of damage on the car? Is it older or newer?
Yeah.
Newer?
The suspect was charged.
Honestly, before we even get into it, who drives a car that doesn't know the make and the model? Honestly, you may not know the model, but you know the make. You know if you driving a Ford or whatever, like Chevy. Come on.
Charged with attempted burglary, resisting arrest, and assault of an officer. According to the case report, officers were able to locate the vehicle later that day and returned it to the original owner. If you
watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.